Hey! It's been a while. Dito ako sa Newport. Malapit sa Terminal 3 na iya kasi alis ako bukas. For a few days. And then, dito ako mag-stay muna. Kami before. Kasi maaga yung flight namin bukas. So, kailangan maaga sa airport. Simple lang siya. Bedroom, kitchen, and then ito naman yung gusto yung CR niya, in fairness. I like the vibe. Maybe it's the lighting or whatever. May washing machine din kung gusto nila. This is my dress. My stuff. Wala. Ang view of pool. Pero maliit lang. Hindi tayo pa Japan.
Para may windows sa
A and J.
pag
Malaking plane, hindi naman natin alam kung malaki siya. If it's a jumbo plane or jumbo hotdog lang.
paano mo na lang kung i-jumbo plane? Tatlong
Hindi ko alam. Kasi usually, yung mga wala din ng ganun.
Should fasten avoid standing up or going to the lavatories at this time. Tayo po ay mga karamdam ng pagalaw ng aeroplano. Mangyari po lamang na pwedeng nakaupo, iwasan po munang magtayo.
Blue, 90 degrees, malamig. Pero, okay lang. We're here, land of boba tea. Nice and breezy. Oh, my bangs. Valentine's Day ngayon. At kung nagtatampo kayo sa dahil hindi ko kayo binibigyan ng bulaklak, ito na. Inyo na yan. Para yun sa inyo lahat. Ming! Mama! Happy Valentine's Day! May dalang octopus. Video pa more. Look at the door. Bilis, bilis. Grabe. Parang nasa ibang mundo ako.
Welcome to Sampaloc Lake. break.
Nandun, nagbi-video.
So in the middle of the summer lake, there's a one island. As I say, they chase a deer. 4 days, 3 nights. All the way from other side to here. Because okay, someday there's a one.
Green tea
Yes. Green.
and bubble tea, boba tea. Yeah, okay. All right. Other produce fermentation. Fermentation. Okay. And then 大家好 it means how are you? So when I say 大家好 you have to say. But hello everyone. But please don't. Please don't do that. Do you? Yes or no? Yes. Hello, if you don't Happy New Year， 恭喜发财。
恭喜发财。
Okay, be careful. Now, money come. Okay. Oh, great.
Money coming now.
Yes, you got it. Good job. Good. Okay. All right. Please speak up. Hello. The tea, the oolong tea, it can to be hot, and also it can to be cold. It is cold tea. Cold tea. You can like it. Follow me, okay? When I say
She's
1,
left.
2, 3, shake. Okay. Please don't shake your. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow. You see? Good, right? Okay. Oh, it's free for you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Cheers.
Hindi potato yun. Hindi pa to Shibuya pero practice lang. Practice lang. Guys, time check. Wait lang. It's 10:20. Nandito na kami sa hotel. Tapos, mag-shower lang ako kasi sobrang feeling ko matutumba na ako. Hindi naman nakakapagod yung tour. Actually, hindi naman kami masyadong naglakad. Hindi kami naglakad ng ganon. Wait, how many steps kami today? 9,800 lang ang steps namin. Naglakad pa kami mula sa hotel namin sa MOA papuntang airport. Wala pa lang akong tulog, kaya I need to rest. Bukas na lang ulit. Today is a good day. Yeah. Bye. Ready for breakfast. Ito yung Palmer Hotel. Wala silang bidig. Entrance. Dito na lang tayo, ma'am. Doon po tayo, may ako doon, dito naman pala. Nagpunta pa ako doon, dito naman pala natin makikita.
Grabe, dati ini-imagine ko lang na makakakita ako ng cherry blossoms. Dati bumibili lang ako ng Bath and Body Works na pabango na amoy ng cherry blossoms. Pero I didn't realize that this day would come and I would actually see cherry blossom blooms in person. So I'm very grateful for this day.
What is that? It's your girl, Cherry Blossom. Dito kami sa Chiang Kai-shek Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Park. May mga cherry blossoms. Tinry ko siyang amoyin, pero ayaw nang amoy sa akin. But you know, that's life. There's so many people here, pero buti hindi yan. Parang yung sa Lohas Park yata yung madaming tao. Wow. Balcony tayo. Meron kaming view. Balcony, benches. Ito pala yan. Wow, and it's so foggy outside.
Pinatawag ka kaya! Lahat! Sorry, ito ako pulit mo.
Okay, so yeah, okay. I don't know about you guys, but I'm so tired. Pagod ako dahil sanay nga ako na natutulog sa umaga. So technically, like sa aking timeline, hindi pa ako natutulog for a night shifter. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
A few moments later.
Actually, joke lang pala. Punta kami ng family mall. Wala na kasi akong pera. We need to cross. Bukas pa yung bakery at ang sarap. Eh, joke lang pala. Bumili kami sa Family Mart. Tapos, syempre, alam niyo na. Okay, mag-haul muna tayo ng nabili namin sa Family Mart. Ako, sandwich, lemon tea, tsaka gusto ko na something warm. Beef noodles. Pipin, kanya is Tig Wanyin tea latte. At ang galing pa sa Bulkang Taal. Sa Bulkang Mayon na what is this? It's surf and turf rice, gratin, and with double cheese. Wala na kayo. Bumili din siya ng Kemerut, hindi ko alam. And kakaibang Cheetos. Listen. That's it. Wala pala akong kutsara para dito, pero baka may stirrer naman. Anyway, that's it. Good night. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna sleep. Tapos, bukas na ulit. Last day na namin tomorrow and then we're leaving on Monday. Bye! Lucky Jade.
This corner also you can see the Indian Ocean high with the ocean. See, mix chemical reaction make the color.
Sa Geo Park na kami. Lunch first, seafood lunch, and then picture.
Hi! Hi!
First time ko magbobati. First time ko magbobati sa Taiwan. Okay. Chewy, but not too chewy. As a lactose intolerant person, laban mo lang.
Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3, let go. Alright, high five. Good. Thank you.
Cream na may peanut. Sweet. Nutty. Choo-choo train. Today is Uwi Day. Ayoko namin umuwi. This is OTD. Recycled pants and shoes. But fresh damit. Breakfast na kami and then punta na kami sa airport. Bye!
Thank you very much, brother, sister. Okay. All right.
Char. 1, 2.
Report ulit pa naman. Ang makikita po natin ngayon